Hello, Central School students. This is Mrs. Miller back with another week of library virtual lessons. So the story I'm going to read today is called How Much Can a Bear Bear Bear? So you might think to yourself, what did she just say? How much can a bear bear bear? Okay, well let's just take a look at this. Bear in this case is like naked or not wearing anything. And if you notice, our bear here happens to be bear. So how much can a bear as in how much can they handle or how much can they take? This is a story about what are homonyms and homophones. So you're going to have to pay very close attention because it can be a crazy story at some points. Homonyms are words that sound and also look alike, which can get a little confusing. But they have different meanings, as in, can you pass that can, Mike? So, can you pass that can, Mike? Can and can. All right? But it's actually can and really like can. Or, may I sail with you in May and coast all along the coast? So may as in, may I please do something, and may as in the month that we're in right now. So, coast all along the coast. These words are a blast if you say them quite fast. So this next part, I'm going to say them kind of fast, and I'm not going to go back and explain them. Like, why don't we toast with some toast? Okay? A light may be light like a small paper kite. A trunk can be found in a trunk. An inchworm or snail could scale a scale. A lean cat could lean on a skunk. What? Some of them are crazy. But punch cannot punch. And at breakfast or lunch, your jam cannot jam on a trumpet. A bowl cannot bowl, but a roll might just roll if it's not made as flat as a crumpet. A roll might as well roll. You got it. Now, some words sound identical but are spelled in different ways. These words are known as homophones, like praise and praise and praise. 3 different words that all sound exactly the same but mean very different things. Though homophones have matching sounds, their meanings aren't the same. And there isn't any question they're as fun as any game. A bee can bee, a flea can flee, a barrow can barrow a hole. A horse can get horse from talking, of course, and a ewe can take you on a stroll. A fowl can foul, a toad can be toad, an air mustn't air in the air. A whale can wail, a male can mail, a pear might just pear a big pear. What? A bus can be bussed by a driver you trust, and Barry can bury a berry. A hand could be banned if they get out of hand, and Mary who's merry can marry. But the sea cannot see, and it's clear as can be that a ball will not bawl when it's rolled. A moose has no use for a bottle of mousse, and a creek doesn't creak when it's old. Can you imagine a creek like rivers creaking because they're old? All creeks are old. But a bear should be bare, and it wouldn't be rare if would be kept in a shed. A Sioux might not sue if he knew that the new that he bought wasn't new like you said. Whoa, new. My niece could see Greece, but in Greece and in Nice, a check could be writing a check. A maid could be made to be very afraid when she heard a big herd on the deck. I agree. A maid would be afraid if she heard a herd on the deck. You could search the whole world while it spun and it whirled, and each in and beneath every stone, and you'd find no more pleasures than these great verbal treasures, the homonym and homophone. So what are homonyms and homophones? Do you know? So today, ladies and gentlemen, for your activity part of your lesson, I'm going to be giving you a little bit of a quiz, not a real quiz, but a fun quiz on homonyms and homophones. Good luck, and don't get your tongues twisted like I did. Bye, everyone. See you next time.